G'day guys, boy have I been having a trip down memory lane lately. This isn't that old, it's the 2008 or 9 Mazda 6, but then again I never did get many of them. I remember this though. So to put the belt on, make sure your pulleys are free and not noisy, the bearing pulleys. So I've replaced them here, but you can take the belt off from here when you do it, but you'll never get it on that way. The best thing here, because of this brake line, and because if you use a long, thin ratchet, it's going to hit the body, as you can see the marks there. It's a very, very tight tensioner. What I like to use is this. Sorry. So this will assist you in bringing the belt down, the tensioner down, and the only place you can put it on, and trust me, I've just tried, is the water pump. So while you're holding it down, put your arm up and put on the water pump. Now, on the top, on the, is it the power steering at the top? On the power steering, feel free to use something like this just to hold the belt there and to stop it from coming off. Depends on the temperature that you're fitting the belt at and the quality of the belt, but it is quite a long belt. And yeah, so you can look through here to line up the air conditioning, and you can look up here to make sure from here that the alternator's lined up. And you can see there the water pump's lined up, and I can see the top's lined up. There was no other way to get it on. I actually thought it would go on there. It's a 6PK 2310, I think. And I'll just confirm that. No, I can't now. Yes, I can. 6PK 2310. And that's going to be the way to do it. Okay, you're not going to get a flat ring opening. A ring spanner in there. You're not going to get a ratchet in there. You're not going to get a little hex with an extension on it because the chassis is there. Look, feel free to drop the engine down if you're limited for tools. That would be better off. Of course, take the wheel off. I didn't need to because I'm in a workshop, but it still would assist. As you can see, my arm's hitting the wheel. Now, yeah, so once this comes down, once you take the tray off, you can push this one out of the way and fit that. Don't slip it because it can slip out. And with two hands, bring that tensioner down slowly, nice and slow. And then using your left arm or whichever arm inclined, push the belt onto the water pump from there. It would be a lot easier if the engine was lowered down actually, and you could also do it on the floor with two people. There's all sorts of ways to do it, but that's the only tool that's going to fit. All right, guys, I better get back to it. See you later.